Hey, how's it going? It's John Krause. It's your first time. Welcome. Coming back. Thank you. This is my buddy Hector. He's one of my coworkers and great friend. And we both had some stress. So we decided to just go climb a little and go cruising on our boards for the first time at the skate park. It was epic. Dude, you got like a vacuum in your gut. That's awesome.
Yeah, right?
Oh, that's great, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
I got really thin. I feel strong though. Really strong.
It's wicked, dude. Nah, we'll work up to it, dude.
Sideways, woo! That's good.
That's awesome, dude.
Sideways. Oh, shit.
Go for it, dude.
Little by little, right?
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Killing it, dude. Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah, this place is fun.
Go for it, dude.
You gotta try it, brother.
Hey, well.
I'm still scared to go down.
I'm right there with you. You started. You're way ahead of me.
I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna do that one. Do it again.
Good save, dude. That's awesome.
You wasn't gonna make it, but I had to try. That was a good one, though. I'm gonna write that one. love the turns these things do.
Oh yeah, dude.
And this one has independent on each side. I just have to lean a little bit more.
Dude, that's awesome. That's a first route. That's scary, man.
I was gonna run right into that wall. I went over there. Did you see that?
Oh my God. That was awesome, dude.
I was about to run right into that wall.
I know.
Good. I can't turn it that fast. I didn't plan it right. I'm gonna go up here. No, it's oh, the other one grabs more. Oh, you can tell right away.
Woo!
You caught that?
Hell yeah, dude.
I had to learn how to put my hands in, you know? Just roll.
That's awesome, dude.
Nice.
Oh shit.